Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and the first connections. Plug each monitor into its GPU port. Use passive adapters only when necessary, because active adapters handle complex signals better. Once done, position your primary monitor directly in front of you and the secondary at a slight angle. This reduces neck strain. Next, open display settings to choose extend mode and arrange displays to match physical placement, so your cursor travels naturally between screens and your workflow remains uninterrupted. Once displays are active, fine-tune resolution and scaling for each screen. Mismatched DPI can make text appear huge or tiny, so correct scale to match perceived size. Then, configure refresh rates to avoid stutter and enable snapping tools or preset zones to speed window placement. Also, assign keyboard shortcuts and virtual desktops for focused tasks. By organizing which apps open where, you reduce context switching and keep reference material on the side monitor while you work on the main screen. To finish, calibrate color, brightness, and contrast so visuals remain consistent between screens. This is important for editing and accurate perception. Make sure audio output and cursor speed are set per your preference, and save power profiles to prevent a monitor from sleeping mid-session. If something goes wrong, no signal, flicker, or misalignment. Check cable seating, swap ports to isolate hardware, update GPU drivers, and reapply display arrangement. This sequence usually resolves common multi-monitor problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.